Hey everyone, Dr. J here again. Today we're going to be talking about and demonstrating how to use the prolordotic neck extensor. So this is designed to help restore the curve in the cervical spine. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this padded part, you're going to put it right at the middle lower part of the neck, and you're going to be in this position. Now, when I'm pushing forward, I want to come slowly forward, nice and slow for a 3 count while tilting that head back. And then you're going to bring it back slowly. From the side, this is what it's going to look like. So again, nice and slow forward, and then nice and slow back. Now, with this, everyone's range of motion is a little different. You don't have to force your arms all the way out like this. You can go to whatever is comfortable. So for some people, it may be right here. For some people, it may be a little further. So find that comfort point. Let me know if there's any kind of discomfort, any pain, and we can alter or modify how we're doing this. So the prolordotic neck extensor is designed to be used every single day. You're going to do it 10 times. Now, if 10 times is too hard, again, go to whatever is comfortable. So whether it's 4, whether it's 5, whether it's 6, we want to work up until that 10 rep mark. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.